Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for all things interior design and home decor. In this video, we are diving into the fascinating world of space planning and layout. Space planning is like the blueprint of interior design. It's about maximizing the functionality and flow of a space while maintaining visual appeal. Now, whether you're working with a small apartment or a spacious home, effective space planning is the key. Always start by assessing the room's dimensions and identifying any architectural features or obstacles. Then, sketch out a floor plan to scale, considering traffic flow, focal points, and activity zones. As you can see for this room, instead of giving a regular bed, we gave an elevation from the floor for the mattress. This saved up so much space and also provided extra storage. Now this type of layout works wonders in children's room. There are a few key principles to keep in mind when it comes to space planning. First, think about balance and symmetry. Now aim for a harmonious distribution of furniture and accessories to create visual equilibrium. Now if you have a large dining table in the living area, then make sure to have sofa sets that aren't too large or flashy. Having just one large piece in the living room is always a better option if you have a regular sized apartment. Next, consider proportion and scale. Ensure that furniture pieces are appropriately sized for the room and that there's enough space for movement around them. Try to maximize your moving space in your room to give it a very luxurious look. Keep the wardrobes and vanity at a good distance from the bed, and the very important point is to not overdo when placing furniture. Negative spaces look very good in bedrooms. Now, let's talk about creating functional layouts. Start by defining the room's primary function and prioritize furniture accordingly. Now, for example, in a living room, your seating area should be the focal point with other elements arranged around it. Similarly, for bedroom, the bed and the wardrobe should be your focal points when making the layout. Do remember to leave adequate pathways for movement and avoid overcrowding the space. If you're working with a small room, please consider multifunctional furniture pieces to maximize versatility. Traffic flow is another crucial aspect of space planning. Ensure that there are clear pathways between furniture pieces and the doorways, and make sure the entry points are unobstructed. Now you can use area rugs, lighting, and even furniture placement to guide the flow of movement through your space. So there you have it. Space planning and layout demystified. By following these principles and strategies, you can create a well-designed and functional space that enhances both aesthetics and livability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. We're coming soon with a beautiful home tour. So see you next time. Goodbye.